pray here. Would you like to pray for Uwa?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pray for Uwa.
Not here.
Where?
I have to wear my Christmas too.
You want to wear your face mask and then pray for Uwa?
Yeah.
Outside?
Yeah.
It's okay, we can pray for Uwa here inside.
No.
You want to see him when you pray?
Yeah.
What are we going to pray for Uwa? What are we going to tell God?
Jesus.
Okay.
And then Lord. Lord and Jesus.
Lord and Jesus.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Stomach hurts.
His tummy's hurt.
Yeah.
Please take away the hurt of his tummy,
Yeah.
the ache of his tummy, and what else?
Candies. Lollipop.
Take away the candies and the lollipops from Uwa's tummy.
I want to check them. Lola's closing the door.
Kasi darating na yung ambulance.
Ayan na, nandun na.
Andyan na?
I want to check.
No, we cannot. We're not allowed.
Yan o, sinipin mo baby dito. Ay,
Wala sarado.